Tell him what's gonna happen.
Alright, this is how it goes. We've been up all day, fucking working our ass while these faggots sleep. Alright, well, we done with our work. So we're gonna show them how it works, alright? Let me turn on the light.
Nah, yo, I got light.
You got light?
I got light. I'm good.
You want me to turn it?
We're all done. I don't know if you can see the horns. Yeah, somewhat. You gonna toggle it?
I'll toggle it.
Yeah.
Oh my God!